Good day everyone, mabuhay! My name is Yasha Mary Villases. Today I will share my understanding of globalizations and my role in globalized world as a Filipino student. So, globalizations for me is the connections of people and countries through technology, communication, cultures, and trade. I experience globalizations in my daily life, especially through my phone and the internet. One positive effect of globalization for me is access to information and learning. For example, I use YouTube for learning other countries like malantaw kita sang mga works sang ibang nga countries. Google, pwede na ta din ka-search ka mga siyempre as a student ma-search kita ya sa mga important data nga wala pa nato na nahibaluan, and online platforms to help me understand my lessons, complete schools activity, and I learn about different cultures around the world. I can also communicate with people from other places through social media. Siyempre, subo nga panahon, uso na ganyan sa mga internet, na siyempre kung may family kita nga ara sa sagwa, so ma-communicate na sila through online, like Messenger, Facebook, makita ta na sila, masin diin man da sila nga lupalop ka, bansa makadto, pwede ta na sila ma-communicate. However, globalization also has negative effects. One negative effect is I notice is that sometimes Filipino culture is being ignored. Siyempre, kita dong wala ta na apply subong ang kalabanan guro sa aton, wala ta na apply ang Filipino culture. Hindi na-adapta na ang iban na cultures ang iban nga bansa. So, for example, many students prefer foreign trends, language, and content online, and sometimes we forget to value our own traditions, values, and identity as Filipinos. Being a responsible global citizen means being aware of my actions and how they affect others both online and offline. As a student, one specific action I can do is to practice digital responsibility. This means thinking before posting, avoiding fake news, using respectful language online, and respecting different opinions and cultures. By doing this, I can help create a positive and safe online environment. So, in globalized world, even small actions can create a big impact to our life. As a student, I will continue to learn, respect others, and represent my culture with pride. Think globally, act locally. Thank you and mabuhay.